Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the damage and stopping the source. This is critical. Probe the wall to find the wettest spots and mark the perimeter so you know the repair zone. If a leak is active, shut off the water supply and make sure the power to that wall is off. Safety first. Remove furniture and cover the floor with plastic, then open windows to begin drying. Once contained, you know exactly what to remove and why. That saves time and prevents hidden rot. Now remove the compromised material. Cut drywall 6 to 12 inches beyond visible stains so you reach solid substrate. Use a utility knife and pry bar. Wear an N95 mask and gloves because mold spores may be present. Pull insulation carefully and inspect studs and the vapor barrier for soft spots or black mold. Replace any structurally unsound wood. Dry the cavity thoroughly with fans and a dehumidifier for 48 to 72 hours. And treat moldy surfaces with a hydrogen peroxide or commercial cleaner so repairs last. To finish, replace insulation and install new drywall cut to fit, then tape seams and apply joint compound in 3 thin coats, sanding lightly between coats for a smooth finish. Once dry, prime with a stain-blocking primer so tannins won't bleed through, and then paint to match the surrounding wall. Make sure to restore trim and fixtures. If any new staining appears after you finish, stop, reopen the area and hunt the leak source. This troubleshooting step prevents repeated repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.